Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Enoch Inflatable Footrest. You can get this product on Amazon for about $19. Check out the link in the description. The footrest comes with a washable bottom dust cover, a hand pump and a package bag. Inflating the footrest is very easy thanks to the double valve mechanic. You can use the hand pump or your mouth. The bottom dust cover is very easy to put on. You can adjust the height and make it more comfortable for you. I tested the footrest for a couple of days and I think it's a very good product. It's easy to use and it's very comfortable. So if you're looking for an inflatable footrest for traveling, your home or your office, I would recommend the Enoch Inflatable Footrest. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.